Hi guys, welcome to Electronics Launch. Are you interested in adding Bluetooth connectivity to your design with a solution that's FCC approved? Then stay tuned, because in this video we introduce you to one of the simplest ways to add FCC certified Bluetooth to your project. Electronics Launch content is designed to keep you informed on the latest electronics, components, best companies to work for, or help you realize your designs. We even cover up-and-coming talent. If you know of anyone that works or plays in electronics, please share this video with them. Also, be sure to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. In this episode, we will be introducing the PAN1326C2 Bluetooth module from Panasonic. This is a great device that can get your project connected in record time, so let's check it out. The Panasonic PAN1326C2 Bluetooth module is one of the easiest ways to add FCC certified Bluetooth connectivity to your project. This module is based on the Texas Instruments CC2564C chip, which is a dual mode Bluetooth 4.2 compliant chip. This chip supports Bluetooth basic and enhanced data rates, as well as Bluetooth low energy mode. This module contains the RF circuitry, output filter, and the antenna required for Bluetooth communications. Combine this module with your favorite microprocessor or microcontroller and mix in some software drivers, and you can be in a Bluetooth enabled solution really quickly. Texas Instruments provides a full complement of evaluation board support, as well as code libraries to support the transceiver and use it in all of its capabilities with little to no coding effort. This module does require a microcontroller with HCI over UART interface for data and configuration, as well as a 32 kHz clock input. There are several ways to power the module depending on your requirements for transmit power and power consumption. The device can be configured for maximum RF power with high power consumption, low RF power with low power consumption, or maximum RF power and low power consumption. The first two of these modes can be accomplished with a single power supply, but the last requires dual power supplies. The features of this module include Bluetooth version 4.2 compliance up to the HCI layer, up to 7 active devices, ScatterNet with up to 3 piconets simultaneously, support for voice error coding, also has a coprocessor for assisted mode for handset profile, wideband speech profile, or advanced audio distribution profile. It supports coexistence and prioritization for basic rate, enhanced data rate, and low energy modes. It also includes network support for up to 10 devices. Connectivity between the controller and the module is accomplished through HCI or host controller interface. The HCI interface supports commands, events, asynchronous connectionless or ACL protocol messages, and synchronous data between the module and your controller. The HCI interface on this module supports H4 protocol up to 4 megabits per second with 4 wires for data and hardware flow control, as well as the H5 3-wire mode with software flow control. This module includes an audio voice codec interface that provides connectivity to several kinds of PCM or I2S codecs and supports all voice coding schemes required by the Bluetooth specification. This module supports continuously variable slope delta, A-law, mu-law, modified subband, and transparent coding schemes. The device can act as the master or slave when using the PCM interface. In addition to all of these features, unmodified, this module is FCC certified. That means if you use this module in your design, you will be able to release an FCC licensed device without the time or expense of going through the certification process. The trade-off is a slightly more expensive device than a discrete design. However, if you are concerned with time to market, this module approach can be just what the doctor ordered. I would also recommend this module as a short-term solution in many cases, allowing you to get your device to market quickly while you develop and certify your own discrete solution to lower the cost of your device in the long run. In either case, this module from Panasonic could be just the answer you are looking for to help you get your device connected with Bluetooth and into the marketplace fast. There are also evaluation boards from Panasonic and Texas Instruments to help you get your software development started before you even have your custom hardware ready to roll. I hope this provided you with the information you need to help you get your idea off the drawing board and onto the circuit board. Please remember to share this video with your friends. Be sure to see the description below for important links to information on the Panasonic PAN1326C2 Bluetooth module, as well as for the Texas Instruments CC2564C Bluetooth interface chip. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will do my very best to answer each and every one. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait for the next electronics launch. See you then.